So I've made my own 100% custom CMS using Antigravity and Supabase. I'm coming up with the craziest stuff and I'm yet to run into any limitations. So I made my own CMS and user dashboard. So the average user, this is what they're going to see when they log in. So if they have an order, if they've ordered some directory links, I've got a directory link service now. So if they've ordered a directory package, they've got 50 submitted. So in the back end, I can manage this. I can submit their directory listings. I can give them their username and password. And this is what they see. So whichever service they've ordered, they can see this in the back end. Again, completely custom built, 100% working. It's just amazing. So that's one thing. Submission list. So on the front end, I've got this 600. This at the bottom here, I've got this list of 600 directories. So this is free to anybody. If you go to directory launchrocket.io/directory submission sites, this pop up again. This is Antigravity. But yeah, so anybody can come to this page, and then these are the links. So you can click through and find the links, and then just go to the site and submit it themselves. But as you saw, I've got that pop up. I've also added this CTA here, and then if you actually want to track your submissions in the dashboard, that's when they go and then they can see the dashboard. So you sign up, and then in the dashboard you've got this, and you can actually track and manage. And again, because we've got Supabase as a backend, this is all saved. So if they submit it and they're happy, once you refresh your page and come back, that's there. That's not going to go anywhere. So you can create trackable, personalized, all kinds of things you can think of behind your user wall. So with just Supabase and Antigravity, you can have a normal standard free site, and then you can build your CMS dashboard however you like it, however you need it, depending on what your site does. So you don't need to have WordPress, you don't need to have content, I think it's called Contentful. There's another one, there's quite a few different CMSs, but they are, what you're getting from them is what they offer, if that makes sense. But when you build your own, you can build anything you like. So for example, I've got an email system where I can send emails. I've got my user management. I've got clean links, which is like pretty links for WordPress, if you know anything about that. If you've got like affiliate links and you want to make sure they're clean, basically. So it could be launchrocket.io/WordPress as an example. And that's, again, I'm just building things that will make it easier for me to do everything I need to do. I've even got this Twitter dashboard where it generates tweets from blog posts, so it's trained on the blog post content. Again, Supabase, Antigravity, that's it. That's the stack. Manage posts, so I've got my own blog management system. I can create posts. I won't even get into how complex that system is, but I can create my guest posts and download those in Markdown. If I go back, I've got my list of keywords. I can manage my keywords. If I go to create a new article, I've got my mega prompt here, the types of articles. Check this out. You can create user profiles. So when your users sign up, again, all handled by Supabase, they have their own profile. They can list their own things. They can upload images in their Supabase buckets. I'm just working on this at the moment. So because I'm closing my Skool community, I'm replicating the capabilities of Skool plus all kinds of other stuff that I felt were limited in Skool. So guys, don't have a small mind when it comes to what can be built. Just try things. Get into Antigravity, get into these IDEs, and start asking questions. What's the best way? What are my options? You have to start asking, you have to start prompting. But I'm going to be documenting this entire journey, building out launchrocket.io. So make sure you go ahead and grab yourself a handle, grab yourself a username. It's free to join. It's going to be a bunch of fun, not only building it, but, you know, all seeing the things that I start to put out there. Yeah, but that's it, guys. I hope you found this video useful, insightful. Drop a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.